Some people resist reality like they're being dragged into it kicking and screaming. But hey, reality's not so bad. It's actually a pretty great place to be. Come on in. The water's warm. Speaking of reality, here's a hard truth that might sting for toxic Bitcoin maximalists.
I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today.
The odds of making a fortune with XRP are way higher than with Bitcoin, even right now. Don't believe me? Just look at the numbers. Over the past year, XRP has consistently outperformed Bitcoin. And moving forward, it's not even going to be close unless something truly unfathomable happens. XRP is simply the smarter investment, and there are plenty of reasons I feel confident holding it. For starters, it's been around for over a decade. No rug pulls here. This is a proven, battle-tested asset. Hackers have been trying and failing to break it for years. Plus, out of the endless sea of coins, yes, including all the dumb meme tokens, only 3 have always stayed in the top 10 by market cap: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. That's elite company. So while some cling to outdated narratives, the rest of us are diving into the future. XRP isn't just surviving, it's thriving. XRP is here to stay, and the world seems to agree. Its strong utility has kept it at the top, and that's why so many, including myself, are confident holding it long term. This isn't a fluke. XRP's potential is clear to see, even if some people struggle to admit it. Let's talk about returns. The type of growth you can still see with XRP is leagues beyond what Bitcoin now offers. Before I dive in, let me be upfront. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. I'm just a crypto enthusiast sharing thoughts for fun. Now, I came across a post by cryptocurrency commentator Max Avery, and it really puts things into perspective. He breaks it down like this. For Bitcoin to hit a 10x return, it would need to skyrocket to $1 million per coin. For XRP, just $25. Let that sink in, which seems more achievable. Max also points out an interesting fact. On a 10-year chart, XRP has outperformed Bitcoin in percent ROI. Yet many refuse to acknowledge this reality. Why the resistance? It's baffling. Let's talk facts, not feelings. If you're a toxic Bitcoin maximalist who can't handle reality, that's your problem, not mine. The numbers don't lie. A chart analyst Dom recently shared something interesting. If you went back to 2014 and invested the same amount in both Bitcoin and XRP, fast forward 11 years, and guess what? XRP would have been the better investment. Hard to swallow for the Bitcoin purists, I know, but it's the truth. Many Bitcoin maxis live in an echo chamber, convinced XRP doesn't perform. But let's not forget XRP was artificially suppressed for years due to legal battles, something they conveniently ignore. Now, with the legal scrutiny behind it and the bull market roaring back, XRP is finally getting its moment. As the market took off in November post-elections, XRP didn't just keep pace. It outperformed almost the entire market, including Bitcoin. That's a fact. People like Max Avery understand this isn't about blind loyalty to one crypto. It's about results. Bitcoin maximalists can deny it all they want, but XRP's performance speaks for itself. Investing is about seizing opportunities, not picking sides. Yet one of the most frustrating aspects of the crypto world is the tribalism. Sure, it's fine to have favorite coins, but some people turn it into a full-blown cult. Take Bitcoin maximalists, for example. It's practically a religion for them. Toxic Bitcoin maximalism is one of the worst parts of the crypto space. Contrast that with XRP investors. We're not here for blind faith. We're here for smart, data-driven decisions. XRP makes sense as an investment. It's simple, logical, and grounded. Remember, the crypto market thrives on diversity. It's not a zero-sum game where only one coin wins. There's room for multiple successful projects. Don't let tribal thinking cloud your judgment. Look at the data, run the numbers, make informed decisions. Here's a classic example of someone who completely misses the point. Enter bugged out MTN man. He read what I shared and responded, "You're incorrectly comparing price whilst ignoring total quantity. That's like saying a medium pizza with 12 slices is twice as big as one with 6 slices. Math." Sigh. Let me break this down. After Max's epic response, "Actually, I'm discussing percent return on investment. But hey, since you're clearly a bot farm account being run from a cave in the mountains of East Asia, I'm not too concerned about your misunderstanding." Ouch. Now, some people genuinely don't get it. and that's fine. But others choose not to get it because they dislike the truth. Those folks, just as frustrating. Let's clear this up with a simple hypothetical. Imagine you invest $1,000 in Bitcoin and another $1,000 in XRP. You plan to sell each when they hit $10,000, a tenfold return. Easy, right? Now, let's talk market caps. Bitcoin's is roughly $2 trillion. To turn $1,000 into $10,000, Bitcoin's market cap would need to skyrocket to $20 trillion. For context, gold's market cap is around $12.7 trillion. Could Bitcoin surpass gold? Maybe. But does that make sense for your investment strategy? Now, XRP. Its market cap is around $150 billion. To achieve the same tenfold return, it only needs to climb to $1.5 trillion. That's a far smaller leap. Think about this. XRP's current market cap is less than Bitcoin's, making its growth potential much easier to reach. Why? Because there's less money in XRP right now. But let's clarify something important. Market cap doesn't show how much money has been poured into an asset. It's just a calculation. Here's how it works. Take the circulating supply, XRP's is $57.8 billion, and multiply it by the current price, $2.58. That gives you a market cap of nearly $150 billion. Simple math. It doesn't mean $150 billion has actually been invested in XRP. The price moves fast as bids go up, but the true investment is much lower. Bitcoin's the same story. Bitcoin's market cap is $1.91 trillion right now. But that doesn't mean $1.91 trillion has been invested. It's just the circulating supply, 19.8 million Bitcoin, times the current price of $96,622. That's it. But here's the kicker. For Bitcoin to double, it needs much more money flowing in compared to XRP. Still with me? Picture this. I throw a $20 bill on a table. In that tiny ecosystem, it's a big deal. More money in a smaller system has a huge impact, just like XRP compared to Bitcoin. That's why XRP's road to growth looks a lot shorter right now. The market cap for some assets can be hilariously small. Picture this. If someone pulls out a $20 bill and invests it, they've literally doubled the market cap. Now imagine 5 people do the same, each throwing in $20. You see where this is going, right? There's far less money in XRP compared to many other assets, which is where the real opportunity lies. In my view, XRP carries far less risk than a lot of mid and small cap crypto coins. My focus has always been on large caps first, then mid caps. The smaller the cap, the less interested I am, though I do hold a few. The bulk of my investments, however, are in top-tier cryptos, and there's a reason for that. In traditional finance, large caps like blue-chip stocks offer lower returns because they're safer bets, requiring massive inflows of money just to see modest growth. But crypto flips the script. Even large caps in crypto have so little money in them compared to traditional markets that their growth potential is huge. Investing in large cap cryptos today can yield returns that traditional stocks simply can't touch. XRP is already proving itself, and from here on out, I believe it's the better bet. No question in my mind. Sure, no one knows the future for certain. Could I be wrong and this all goes to zero? Technically, yes, but let's be real. I don't think that's even close to likely. The truth is, XRP just stands out as a stronger investment, plain and simple. Crypto Arsenal, a member of the XRP community, shared an interesting chart comparing XRP to Bitcoin, highlighting a 12-year upward parallel channel. He noted that if XRP hits the top of this channel again, it could climb to around $21. Looking back, every time XRP has reached certain low levels, like in 2014 and before its November surge, it's rebounded dramatically. History shows it has soared whenever it touched this trend line. Now, will it hit 20 plus? I'm not making any price predictions here, but it's not crazy to imagine if it reaches the top of the channel again. And here's the kicker. This chart measures XRP in Bitcoin terms. Since Bitcoin's value has grown significantly, XRP hitting that same channel high today could mean way more value now than it did years ago. More money in the market, more upside for XRP. It's only a matter of time before reality catches up with Bitcoin maximalists. If they have to be dragged into it kicking and screaming, so be it. Eventually, the truth will smack them square in the face, and when it does, we'll be ready for that told you so moment. They've been shouting for years that XRP is headed to zero, but guess what? The tables are turning, and the last laugh is already ours. So, to the toxic maximalists, take a seat. The future doesn't wait for stubborn minds, and hey, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't make any investment moves based on what I say. Seriously, don't. That would be a terrible idea.